How to go live on Insta. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can go live on Insta, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to go live on Instagram, all you have to do is launch the Instagram application. Make sure that you're signed into your account. Tap on the plus button from the very bottom center of the screen. Once you do that, right here you can see many options: post, story, reels, and beside reels you'll find live. So just hop into the live section. Now before you go live, there are a couple of settings that you can schedule. You can tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side. You can choose all of the camera settings, always start on front camera, left-handed, right-handed, allow access, and so on, to save them to your camera roll. You can also tap on this little option to view about your brand partners. You can choose to make it private or public, or only go to practice depending on what you want to do. Then just tap on this live option here, and then people will be able to view your live video because they will get notified about it. So this way you can go live on Insta. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.